So guys, I will be using this leftover yarn that I have here. This is what I have left over from both skein for the dress. So I will be making a headband to match with the dress. So I am just going to go ahead and chain up. Let me just see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to chain 9, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing some single crochets. So I am going to single crochet into this first stitch. So you should have a total of 8 stitches at the end. Now that I have completed my first stitch, my first row, I should say, I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and then work into the back loop. So these are considered your front loop, and the one on this side here are considered your back loop. So I will be working into the back loop. And we're going to do this until our band is measured about 12 inches long, and then I'll meet back with you. Once you get to the end here, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work and continue doing the same thing. So I'll see you there. So guys, now I have come to my last stitch here, and I'm just going to do the measurement so you can see. So here it is showing 12 inches wide. So what we're going to do is we are going to look for the side that you want to be on the right side. So I'm going to flip it over on this side here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to chain 1 and go into these stitches here. So I'm going to go into both loops and into the loop on this side and make a slip stitch. So I'm going to continue doing this until I get to the top. So now I have come to my last stitch here. I'm just going to pull that through, chain 1 and fasten off. Just leave a little tail end so you can weave that in. And this is how it looks on the wrong side. So guys, now I have weaved in all my tail end, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to flip that over. So that's how cute this headband looks. So now I am going to make a flower to put on the top. I went ahead and I made one already. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's quite simple and easy to do. So all you do is make a magic ring. So you can make your magic ring however you feel comfortable. You are going to chain up 3, and then you're going to put 13 stitches, sorry, 12 stitches in the ring. And the chain up 3 is going to count as 1 stitch as well, so it's going to be a total of 13 stitches at the end. So I'm going to continue doing that, and I'll see you once I'm finished. Guys, now I have come to my last stitch there, and I'm just going to pull in my tail end to close that middle part up. We are going to slip stitch on top of our chain 3, which is our first double crochet. You are going to chain up 1, 2, and 3. and we are going to go into the stitch right next to this one, and we are going to make 4 double crochets. So that's 3 and 4. Now that you have made 4, that is total in 5, and then you are going to just single crochet in the next stitch. You're going to yarn over, go into the next, and make 5 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Into the next stitch beside that, you're going to single crochet. And this is how you're going to continue doing this right around, and I'll meet you at the end. So yarn over, go into the next stitch, and make 5 double crochet. So I'll see you at the end. So guys, and now I have come to my last stitch here, and I am going to make a slip stitch there. I'm going to chain 1 and fasten off. You're going to pull it backwards so that tail end goes towards the back, and this is what it looks like. And we are going to sew down this on top of our headband here. So I went ahead and I attached a little pearl here on the top. How cute that looks. So I'm going to attach a pearl on the top of this one as well. So you're going to need your needle and thread to do this part. Let me just weave this down in the middle. Give this a little tie. And then I will fasten off with 1. Okay, so now that we have that part that can sew, we're going to attach the pearl now. So you're just basically going to go inside in the middle and through the hole and sew that down. So I'm going to continue doing this, and I'll meet you when I'm done. So guys, I went ahead and I sewed down one of my flower here, and I'm just gonna sew this one down right next to that one there. So we're just basically doing in and out stitches. Try not to let your stitch show, and you're just gonna go like right around so that it is sewed around like in, you know, like a little circle. So now that I've done doing so, I'm just going to weave the tail end in. Okay, now I can fasten off, and our headband is now completed. So there it is looking super cute. So guys, if you love the way how this headband turned out, please do give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, tell me what you think, and thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye.